Okay, how you doing, guys? Wasn't going on a video this project at all, but I decided to let you see a quick glimpse through as we do this on our final renovation project. So I didn't do a video of demo and everything. I wasn't going to do it, but I did have a couple pictures as we started. So what we're going to do here is just give you a quick short video on this job and the end of it when it comes out. So the pictures you will have seen was the start. We're in the midst, we're redoing the plumbing around for a double sink setup. We've recessed the floor. This has to be a handicapped shower flush floor system for a wheelchair. So we've recessed the floor. We've got the shower stuff in. We're going to do a heated floor. We've added all these cool pot lights in the ceiling for them that they never had before, which allows them to go from nice light to night lights in a blink of an eye. Shower does the same, so you got a nice night light. Once we put them in place, mind you, they're not in place because we got to paint after we fix the walls before we tile. Okay, more to come. Well, we've got as far as the shower installed. And the old shower tore out. So now that'll be a closet. Okay, as you seen the other day, we got that in. We got the shower ripped out. Now we have the closet built. And I just put the second coat of mud on. So it's coming along. You never know there was a shower there before. So, till the next one. Okay, here's our finished product of our neighbor's bathroom to make it so that the young fella can get in and out and have a shower, make it a lot easier for him. So. Set up so he can roll his wheelchair in underneath in order to reach the sink. Mirrors to style his hair. And then this is just where the old shower was. It's just now a big closet. She's gonna put an organizer in there. So. And that's how it come out. And we are now officially retired at doing this stuff. I am not doing anymore. So if you like, think about subscribing, give us a thumbs up. If not, well, thanks for watching. Just winging it.